fast. Meetings, so you go and sleep. First time visit to the vet. And diaper is changed. आज ये होएगा. Hey guys, welcome back to Life with the Sequeras. Yeah, so we are right now at the vet. Baby's first time visit to the vet. He's not been keeping well. He's a bit, he's puking a bit, and that's worrisome. So we came here, and of course we also wanted to anyway to meet the vet for its vaccinations and to see what else to do. So he is here. I'll show him to you. You can see he's a bit pale, not eating food properly. Doctor will tell us now what the problem is. Luckily near our building only we have a veterinary, a clinic. She is stressed. We'll tell you what happens. Baby is still at the vet. I had to come in early because there was a parcel to be picked up, and that was payment parcel, so Hriday couldn't be alone at home for that. And also bedroom AC is giving some problem. There's no cooling at all, so we called our AC tech. But the thing is, to go to the duct of the AC tech, he has to go through the bathroom windows. I'll show you. स्टूल को चाहिए क्या? हाँ हाँ, वो बंद करो क्या वो? Whether turn off the AC, wall AC, both the hall AC and the bedroom AC duct are together. He has gone out. We are all back home. Baby also is back home, and even Baba is back home. He is resting. Doctor said nothing to worry. That's very normal with small kids. And now we have to attend a housewarming party of our neighbors. They have purchased a new flat, so we'll go there as well. Have lunch. They have kept lunch for us. And coming back, I'll show Chester to you. He's just resting. He's resting at the moment. Baby is there. Coco is always roaming. Now he's coming to us. First 2 days when Chester came in, not coming close to us. Charlie is here. Hriday is gone to have a bath so that he can get ready. So Charlie, Coco.
Best gift is
Roka.
the best gift to give someone is cash.
Roka. Chalo, I'm ready. Hriday is ready. Maybe are you ready?
Yes, I'll show what you're wearing. Show.
I'm not. Since it's close by, I'm not even.
And not in a mood also
Correct,
because
yeah.
Chester.
Chester is not well. And he's sleeping.
Yes.
He's resting basically. Now we will have lunch and come back soon. I'll show how you are looking as well. You have to dress up.
Not dressed up. I was supposed to wear a sari.
That's good.
Even
It's
I
fine.
was not in a mood.
Correct. Look at this fellow. Oh, are you gonna cry now?
Smile now, we are showing what you're wearing. Hriday just got tastings from his mother, so he's got some
too hot. Let's see.
Since it's close by only, we are taking our scooty and going. Getting multiple calls because everyone is waiting for us. We got late because we had taken Chester to the vet.
Yeah, actually, they all are waiting, and they're such sweet people.
They are waiting to
They're
have
not gonna
food
have, lunch
without
you.
y'all. Chalo, I'm sitting up, baby. Phone is constantly buzzing.
They have chosen a nice day. Entrance from here, no? This is what we are having for lunch. Dr. Saab is here, and of course all the puja work that was done. These people are eating. Lovely. हाँ बहुत गर्मी है. Auntie is helping out and giving everybody. We just got done having lunch. Very tasty. Everybody is here. There is Anju is what taking parcel.
जो हमारा ने नहीं खाया उसको घर लेके जा रही है.
नहीं पार्सल लेके जा रही है ये. चलो now we are going home maybe. We are back home.
Let's sleep for some time, baby.
You want to sleep?
Yeah, I want to sleep. Very tired.
Take a you sleep. I have clients.
मैं जाके आई हूँ.
I have clients meetings, so you go and sleep. Any which way हम लोग का AC अभी रिपेयर हुआ है वो किया काम. So you and Rizek go and sleep in the room. I'll get the work done. The weather is such actually. Heat is also terrible. Dust ये वो सब. ठीक है, you go and rest with Rizek. I will get into call with clients. नहीं होएगा यार. I have a lot of other work to do also. Preparing for the weekend. I have 4 shows this weekend, so I have the work. My season has started. Chal then maybe you go and sleep. I'll go and attend clients meet.
Tying my hair very hot. ऐसे लग रहा है.
No,
haircut कर
no. इसलिए मैंने 3 AC लगाया ना घर पे. Charlie Coco, you are feeling hot? Chester sleeping in the bedroom. Sure, I'll also go and do my work now. You guys have to sleep, okay? Baby is removing her makeup and Brother is gone to sleep. Chester is waiting for Mama to come to sleep. And I'm going to the other room with Charlie Coco and doing my work. They will be with me, Charlie Coco. Chalo, bye. Chalo, come. Charlie Coco, come. Come, Le Putush. Come fast. Come fast. Come. Coco's coming. Charlie is not coming. Charlie doesn't want to come. Is she Charlie? Come. Okay, go. I'll do my work. It's evening time.
मस्त जो नींद आया.
Had a good sleep. And now we are cleaning this fellow's diaper, changing diaper. It's basically like a small baby, an infant, honestly. ये देख, buying diapers. कौन सी कंपनी का है?
Littles.
मैं पीपो पप्पा बने है क्या?
This is baby
This is
diaper only.
हाँ, this is like वो चड्डी वाला डालने का.
And I just cut it.
हाँ, scissor नहीं है ना? Oh yeah, it's your keeping it, your baby. Take.
Now for dinner you order something. Some soup and a lot more.
Already did that. I've ordered already without you telling me. I ordered for the manchow soup and fried rice. That's it. Nothing else. I ordered manchow soup. You all both have veg, not non-veg. And with I also will share it with you. Stay away from me for the next 1 month. मेरा shows चालू हो गया है. I have to also take. Chal, you put this.
Hey, good damn.
He's still sleepy.
Sonu.
And diaper is changed. Done, no? Chalo. And food also has arrived, so we'll go and have some food now. Food is here. This is what we have ordered today: veg manchao soup, veg Szechuan fried rice, and chicken Szechuan fried rice. I'm gonna serve them. So you open it up. Okay, I opened it up. And this is one. कुछ तो एक्स्ट्रा दिया हम लोग के लिए, क्या दिया? Something extra, I don't know what it is. Let me open it and show it to you. I just had a word with them and they are like, this is for, they have given us free क्या बोलते हैं उसको, Manchurian balls. They given it free so that we can taste and tell them how it is since we are regular customers. So fried rice is here and that's the veg one. Now I usually don't have soup, so I told baby both you and Baba have soup, and in the meantime while they are having their soup, I'll make some pineapple juice, not with soda, with water. Pineapple juice बनाने के लिए हम वापस करते हैं मैप्रो का पाइनएप्पल क्रश और उसके साथ ठंडा ठंडा पानी जो लग नहीं रहा है बट नसीब से मिल गया. एक बॉटल, वो बॉटल आइस है क्या? ओ आइस से तो और भी अच्छा टेस्ट हो जाएगा. पहले आप सूप पीजिए मैडम. मैं सूप पीता नहीं हूँ, आप सूप पीजिए. और ये वो ऑलरेडी खुला है, वो ठंडा हो जाएगा आपको देने के लिए. आप बिजी हो क्लीन करने में. क्या बोलूं अभी इसको? हम लोग पागल है जो इतना गरम गरम लेके आते हैं. हाँ बोल भाई, हिंदी में बोल भाई, मैं हिंदी में बात कर रहा हूँ. अभी साइलेंट हो गया. वेरी गुड. That is why I need a knife. I need to. Lemon is a must in all the drinks. Kitna bhi ho. Are you putting the ice? One more, fast, very slow work. Are there are already one removed. No? आज ये होएगा. क्या होएगा? मेरा फेवरेट का स्टाइल. एकदम ही मस्त. And I'll put it in this. I'll clean the body.
But why are you making like that?
बराबर होता है. Go ahead,
चलो.
जेले अपनी जिंदगी.
Let them go out, baby. We'll come. Go.
तो और ज़्यादा चाहिए ना. ऑलरेडी कोल्ड है फिर भी और ज़्यादा चाहिए.
No, I don't want ice. You make for yourself.
Refreshing.
Thank you. Who introduced you to this?
See, you introduced me, but you made shit. I was the one who made it what it is now.
Sure.
Pineapple juice is ready. And of course, Szechuan fried rice. Hriday is all set. Baby is all set. How's the soup, darling?
Good.
Had no? Chalo, good. Enjoy. Baby, where's your glass of water? Time to take medicine. Hold your medicine. Come on, take first.
Put very inside. I won't put on the top, please.
Let me, mother.
Wait, don't get it close to my nose. I can smell it.
नाक काट के रखो.
But I'll tell you when to put.
चल first.
Put very inside, please.
हाँ. Deep you mean. First. अरे पीना 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 जल्दी पी. Good girl.
Why you didn't put water?
I thought you you had that no. What do you want now? I don't know where it is. Sleep without it. There's no mosquito. Sleep, chill. Yeah, today he's sleeping here. Hey, be careful you hit that. Yeah, just be careful. Good. Chal, enjoy the space. So guys, this is where we end the vlog. I hope you all had fun. In case you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so at the earliest. And keep supporting us as much as you can. So असा होता आमचा पूर्ण दिवस. हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, कमेंट करा, शेअर करा आणि आमचं चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा.